Vietnam is a land of striking landscape. We are going to MUI in Vietnam. Experience the mesmerizing beauty of the white sand dunes by taking a sunrise tour. Feel the cool breeze. The white sand dunes is the most popular attraction in MUI. Our journey begins from Nha Trang city at 6:30 a.m. We saw many windmills on our way. The main purpose of windmill is to convert wind energy into electrical energy. Generating energy from the wind does not release any carbon emissions. This is good for the environment. You may want to have your iced coffee before you start your white sand dunes adventure. Nearby, you can see some workers cleaning up the coconuts. The Jeep car they are charging 1,200,000 one Jeep car for 6 persons. Killing us. For sun and sand protection, please don't forget to wear sunglasses and long sleeve shirt. But it was too hot for me, so I just wear a short sleeve t-shirt. Please wear proper shoes, not flip-flop. The sand is very hot. I want to do the Bollywood dance, but you see, I'm struggling to hold my shawl. Yes, can you imagine those Bollywood films? Jeep drivers here, so calm. Perhaps maybe they have done it so many times. They have no feeling when they go down the hill and go up the hill. Such a wonderful feeling over here. Don't forget to apply lots and lots of sunscreen on your face. The sand is not very fine, not smooth. So when the wind blows and when it hits your face, it can be a bit painful. That is why people in the desert, they cover their face. This is another area of the sun dunes. Suddenly we saw some cows. Yes, cows out of nowhere. Remember to wash your face properly. I hope you have enjoyed the tips for White Sand Dunes adventure. Follow us in the next video on the ferry stream and hiking to Angel Mountain in Nha Trang.